What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I will be exposing my crypto deving Memecoin strategy on exactly how I make thousands of dollars every single day. This strategy is going to be explained completely for free from A to Z, okay? So if you have a small portfolio and you are unprofitable, well, this video is specifically made for you and this strategy will help you out a lot. Without further ado, let's get straight to it. And by the way bro, I am not bullshitting. Look at my portfolio. This is part of my earnings specifically from launching on chain, and I will continue doing it, bro. In this video I will be exposing my entire strategy. Now if you've been trading meme coins for a while now, you already understand how this market works. You've seen the pumps, okay, and also you've seen the complete dumps, which happens like in 85% of most coins, okay? Most coins completely go to zero, and you guys already know why. It's because the dev dumps on everyone while the traders lose their entire portfolio. And you've probably noticed that no matter how good you are at trading, it's hard to keep and maintain consistent wins, okay? Sometimes you might make a lot of money, but most cases you are going to get completely dumped on by the dev, and that's exactly why I stopped trading and I switched to this new strategy, which is also called deving. Now this video is specifically made for the people who is tired of losing money every single day and they want to find a brand new strategy, or if you are a trader and you want to try out deving, well, it's up to you. And I'm going to walk you through exactly the full process of launching a coin, from finding a narrative, launching it, and then cashing out. I will even do a live example for you guys to show you exactly how it's done. I'm the only guy on YouTube doing live launches, and that's exactly why people watch my videos and that are subscribed to me. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. And by the way bro, everything is for educational purposes only, okay? I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research, be cautious, and yeah bro, let's go. Cap! Now most people who decide to try out deving, they completely just go to Pump.Fun and they just launch coins here hoping to make a quick buck or hoping for their coin to go viral out of the blue. Now yes, most devs launch coins here. It's the most popular DEX, I completely understand, but you have to understand the facts. Pump.Fun is completely oversaturated. Thousands of coins are launching every single hour on Pump.Fun, and most of these coins are straight bullshit. So if you make a coin bro, no one will buy it. You might get 1 or 2 buyers, but that would lead to no profits because Pump.Fun controls your liquidity pool and they take a cut from your creator fees. So that's one of the biggest issues too. Now the DEX that we will be launching on in this video is actually the migrate section, also known as the Radium DEX. It has the most volume, it has real trading volume, it has a bunch of people right waiting to buy your coin. It's more trustworthy, and you guys already know, if you are a trader, the Radium DEX is where all the money is at. Now to get your coin on the Radium DEX, okay, your coin on Pump.Fun needs to reach a migration price which is $32,500, and that's actually fucking impossible unless you bundle your coin. But let's be honest bro, that no one will buy your coin, okay? So you have to be using an external launchpad like Meme.io bro. Most people are gatekeeping this launchpad because they don't even know that you can launch directly to Radium using Meme.io. Every single coin goes to Radium if you launch here, and that's exactly why a bunch of people are making coins right here right now. Now there are a couple ways to launch a meme coin here. You could either create a whole new coin, okay, with an original concept from scratch using your community, right? You can make a community coin, you can make a project coin, you can make a Twitter based coin, news based coin, anything, right? You can also use their free X tracker, right, and turn viral tweets into coins within like a second. I know people who launch like tons of coins using this tracker right here and they make bank, but yeah, that's up to you. But in this video we will be using a different strategy, also known as the copy trending coins tab. Most people like to call this method vamping. It's the same thing. Copying a trending coin is the faster approach, and often it's the smarter one when you are starting out like you, right? You're a beginner, okay? Now look, all these coins, okay, they're all gaining a bunch of traction on Pump.Fun. They have active volume, growing buyer count, and a validated narrative, which which means, okay, so if you copy a coin here to Radium, well, you are stepping into the ban and a bunch of eyeballs, and since you have a good narrative, well, a bunch of people might possibly buy your coin. You could possibly surpass the coin that you copied, okay, and if that happens, well, you are in bank. Let me show you right now how to do it. So obviously, right, first connect your Phantom wallet and then click on refresh, and you know, all the new coins will pop up right here. Just choose one and copy it. I'm gonna copy the magic coin, bro. Why not? I just chose it randomly. Click on copy to Radium. Wait for your Phantom wallet. Ignore the block. It's safe. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, and then click on confirm, and then the coin will be copied, right? Just be patient. Hello? And then boom, if I go in SoulScan, you guys can see that it's live. 11 seconds ago, it's minted, it's on chain. You guys can go check for yourself. Okay, it's legit, it works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page and this step of the whole process is where we allocate the pool, right? Where we create the Radium liquidity pool, for example. Now look, for the amount of coins right here, allocate 90% right here. That is what I usually do for all my launches. Now for the amount of SOL to pair, here is where you will be buying some supply up as a def before everyone else. Like that, you can make some profits off your coin. Now look, I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL here. This is not a loss, you are not losing this, okay? You can get this back whenever you want, okay? Just make sure you have 0.3 to 1 SOL for the supply right here, okay? You are not losing this. You can exchange the supply back to your SOL whenever you want. Click on crit pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up. Just wait. Like, why is it so slow? Fucking Wi-Fi, bro. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and bang, bro, the magic coin is live and your PNL is going to be right there. And look, if you click on the refresh button for a second time, well, as you guys can see, bang, we're up 158 bucks. People are liking our coin, and that's exactly why I love vamping coins, bro. We are vamping the coins back to Radium, okay? And that's exactly how we make our revenue, purely from deving, from copying coins, I mean. Now look, go on Photon, go on Axiom, go on your trading platform to see the chart, and it should load in a couple seconds, okay? And as you guys can see, the coin is live. A $70 buy, $60 buy, things are looking good. 2k market cap, 1.2k liquidity, bro. Things are looking absolutely insane. Bang, a $43 buy, guys. Dude, the volume is insane. We're getting a bunch of attention, and that's exactly why you have to be launching coins on Radium using this method. Bro, we launched this coin with literally like $0, maybe like a $1 in blockchain fees, but yeah, bro, that's like nothing. And imagine, bro, I have people in my Discord launching 5 to 10 coins every single hour. Like, bro, they're grinding their asses off. Yeah, 2k market cap. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to go up, okay? And when I come back after a couple seconds after the montage, well, I will be showing you guys exactly how to cash out on your Memecoin. Alright guys, I am back and we are almost at a 10k market cap within a couple minutes. And now guys, let's cash out our liquidity or supply, okay? Come back to create meme.io real quick. And obviously, bro, click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see, damn, bro, we're up 2.1 bandos on this meme coin. But yeah, now look, click on the minus button, do 100% right to remove like the whole profits, and then do remove liquidity. Wait for your Phantom wallet to show up. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to do it from start to fucking finish, bro. We just devved the coin in front of you guys, and look, 3, 2, 1. Bang, bro, 2.1 bands. Enter my Phantom wallet, it's instant, and even though Solana is down, the volume for deving is still fucking high. That's because it's untapped. Most people are trading, but I recommend to start deving, bro. Create meme.io will be linked down below or in the description, bro. Try it out, okay? Launch a couple coins, stay consistent. That's the whole fucking blueprint, okay? And if you want to win 5 Solana like this lucky winner right here, all you have to do is just like, comment, subscribe, and join my Telegram group down below, okay? To see the details to enter the giveaway. Good luck to everyone.